Hello Data Nation and welcome to Snowflake's Snow Report. A lot has happened in the AI Data Cloud. We are still buzzing from all the announcements that took place at Snowflake Summit, and the momentum has only continued to build from there. Which brings us to the month of October. The AI Data Cloud has gone global and their world tour is in full swing, making a total of 23 stops around the world. And they're not stopping there. On October 22nd, Snowflake is releasing their highly anticipated Modern Marketing Data Stack Report Volume 3. And I'll let you in on a little secret. We're launching a virtual event unlike anything seen in the data world for its release. Register now. Events are great. Now let's talk releases. Snowflake dropped updates in Copilot. Snowflake Copilot is an LLM-powered assistant that simplifies data analysis. The AI Data Cloud ecosystem was in full force this month with new customer best practices coming from Zoom, Booking, and Snap. Want to learn more? Be sure to catch the monthly newsletter or jump over to Inside the AI Data Cloud blog or Data Cloud Now websites for the latest ins and outs of the AI Data Cloud. I'm Ryan Green, and this concludes Snowflake's October Snow Report. Be sure to bundle up because we're expecting nothing but snow for the foreseeable future.